Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the most frequently asked questions here at Dalinghaus Construction for your foundation repair projects. Today's question is, what's your warranty on a push pier foundation repair? That is a great question because it's going to vary depending on what company you work with to finish your project in the foundation repair industry. Our policy and warranty at Dalinghaus Construction is we offer a lifetime warranty on a push pier system. I've never had a push pier system fail on us just because we know that we need to get to X amount of depth, we need to get to X amount of pressure to supply the amount of force needed to stabilize or lift your home securely. And we're past those active zones within the soil layers to make sure that we're down to soils or a competent material that's not going to be affected by water, any rain, anything of that nature. So that's why we're so confident in offering a lifetime warranty on our push pier system. Other companies may only offer a 20-25 year warranty, but make sure you choose and look at what those companies are offering versus what other companies are offering. All right guys, that's going to wrap up today's most frequently asked question here at Dalinghaus Construction, and we'll see you soon.